Logical trading is better than technical trading, and here's why. Now, before you go click off this video and think, oh man, this guy's an idiot, what does he know? Let me explain. So I'm not saying that technical analysis and technical trading is pointless. I think it's very effective and useful, but I do think that logical trading works better for me, and it could work better for a lot of you guys. And so from this video, I want you to be able to implement this logical side of trading into your portfolios so that you can grow. We're gonna try to get to 100 likes in the first 48 hours. And if we do, I'm gonna be doing 100 push-ups at the end of the next video that I record. Trust me, you're gonna wanna watch it. It's gonna be funny because I can't do 100 push-ups in a row. I could probably do like 20 to 30. So I'm gonna be struggling to get to that 100. So make sure to like this video. Let's go. Number one reason, and this is probably gonna blow your mind. Technical analysis is all about predictions, and logical trading is all about reactions. So what I mean is, in technical analysis, you're looking at charts, you're looking at previous charts and what you see, what kind of patterns, and you're basically predicting what will happen. Now, logical trading is all about reactions. What I mean by that is, when I'm trading with logic, if I see something up 10%, I'm taking some profits off the table. That's my reaction to what has happened already. And then when it comes back down 5 to 10%, my reaction is to rebuy that position. Now, that's something that I have noticed happens all the time in the crypto space, and that's a pattern that I've seen. So when a coin goes up about 10 to 20% or more, it typically has a retracement of 5 to 10%. Reacting to that is taking a little bit of profits off the table. Now, I'm not telling you to sell everything, sell your whole position in that coin, but to take profits here and there of 5 to 10% of your holding to increase that holding. Now, when you trade like that, like you've seen in my other videos, it can make a really big difference. Like with my Nimiq video, you've seen that I've been able to make over $10,000 by trading like this. But it's taken a lot of trades. I've done over 2,000 trades like that, making $5, $10 or $2 starting out, and just growing that amount every single time. It adds to itself, so then you are making more per trade. Value number two is logical trading teaches you discipline and how to take profits. Now, I see a lot of people struggle with holding onto something and they just never take profits at all. And like we've seen in the past 2 months, where we've seen the market come down a lot, by doing these logical trading, by creating this discipline where every single time you see something up 10 or 20%, your immediate reaction is to take profits, to sell a little bit, even if you don't want to. So that teaches you the discipline. So then when times are really good, like in the middle of a bull run and we're up green every single day, and the last thing you want to do is be taking off profits from the table because you're like, well, I'm going to miss out later on. This discipline, if you stick to it, it will pay off, like we've seen with this correction. By taking these profits as the market is going up and up, and you're not wanting to take those profits, well, now you have the cash on the side for a big correction like we've seen in the past 2 months. So being able to trade like this will help you long term. It'll help you take profits. It'll teach you in a bull run how to take profits off the table and to secure those gains. And value number three is logical trading works so well in a consolidation period like we're in right now, and also in a bear market. This is how I started trading when we were in the bear market in 2019, 2018, and I was able to increase my portfolio size by a significant amount by trading like this. Now, recently, within the past 2 months, we've seen this consolidation period of Bitcoin between 30 and 40K. And so it has had a ton of great opportunities to be trading. I have done plenty of trades with Bitcoin and with other altcoins. Like I've traded Bitcoin, I sold Bitcoin at 40K, rebought at 37, sold at 41, rebought at 38, sold at 38, rebought at 35, sold at 36, rebought at 32, and so on. I've had 5 to 10 Bitcoin trades that have helped add to my position just in the past 2 months from this consolidation period. Now, I'm not a wizard predicting that it will come back down, but I'm being logical by taking profits off the table, prepared for it to not come back down. But it typically does come back down, and that is the perfect way to be trading. Even if it were not to come back down, you've secured those profits, and you haven't sold everything either. You're taking little chunks out every single time it has these percentages, so that if it goes up another 10%, you can do another trade. and so on and so on, and that will just build your portfolio size. Now, what also will happen is it will build your USD portfolio size. So I strongly encourage to always have some USD in your portfolio, and I would say at least 10% of your portfolio should be in USD. The reason for that is because we never know what can happen in the market with these dips and corrections, and so it's best to be prepared for those. And by trading like this, it will always add to that position in USD. So then when we do have big corrections like the recent 50% decrease, you are prepared for those dips and you have the cash on side to be able to buy those dips and have a lot more to add to your portfolio. So in conclusion, remember, number one, technical analysis is all about predictions and logical trading is all about reactions. And remember the pattern that I taught you about every single time a coin goes up 10 or 20%, there's typically a 5 to 10% retracement from that. Value number two is that logical trading teaches you discipline and teaches you how to take profits. And value number three, logical trading works so well in a consolidation period and also a bear market. So I hope I've been able to convince you why you need to be trading like this. This will help increase your portfolio size and it will help teach you the things that will make you a better investor and a better trader over time. So put these tips and tricks to work. And remember, as always, keep it in the green.